Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome. I'm sorry that my microphone's not very good quality. It's because I'm recording on my webcam because I can't find my normal mic. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can compile your software. So if you've made software and you want to make an installer for it, so not compile, sorry. You want to make an installer for it, you can do it with this. So it's called InstallForge. You can get it from this website here. Now, one problem I've found is that when you download it, it thinks it's a virus. It's a false positive, which means that it's detected even though it's not a virus. For example, if it would download, I didn't click on it, that's why. So if I do that and click save, it's not going to download because it thinks there's a virus in it. But there's not. See, look, there's stopped a threat apparently. But no, it's not a threat. You just think it is. So, once you have that installed, you should get this window here. This is the creator. So, what I do, if I've already made one, if not, and you're doing this from brand new, or you just need a recap on how to do it, that's fine. If not, what I do is I will open up one of my old ones here, and then I'll use all the stuff and just change the name and change other things. So this one's just going to be out with the grandparents, granddad, ping pong. There we go. It is version 1. And for this, I'll change the website to the Out with the Grandparents official YouTube. So here we go. Now I'll just do that, do this, and go back out, and then I can do that there. So once it's installed or once it's uninstalled, depends on what you do, it will open that as a website. So support for all operating systems I can't support on what I'm doing because of the way I made the game. It only supports Windows 7 and upwards. So I'm going to take it off all of them, so it's just them ones there. No. Right, so now we want the UI. Now, the wizard image is these ones here. But wizard 1 is 1 in my download. I don't know why it says it's used to my computer. So that's the one I want there. And then the header image is actually going to be what's in the thing. So it's going to be that. I don't know why it took me off of it. There we go, got Grandad Head. So yep, blah blah blah. We'll have all languages supported because it doesn't really have any language stuff really needed to see on the thing. Because you're just using arrow keys with WASD. So we'll have all languages supported. Apart from, all languages. We've got that sorted. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all of them. So it's removed all now. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the folder where it is. So just go this way. Our grandparents, games and software, Grandad Pong, and then what I want to do is don't want the license one. add them, and then I'm gonna run the license. Then I'm gonna add them. And then I can add folder. And then I can go software project. I'm doing a video now. Just doing a video, but no. It's fine. So add all of your folders into the folder. So local resources. This is for me, yours might be different, you might not have any folders. And Swift Shader. So now you've got all of them. So it'll install in the program files folder under your company name and the app name. So there you go. But I don't want that to happen. So what I want to do is I want it to go, hope this works. What I want it to do is I want it to go out with the GP. Like that. So it's installed in out of the grandparents file path. Now you don't need to do this unless you want to add updates, but I don't know how to do this bit anyway because I would never need to use it. For this, so this is the uninstall, so I'll put uninstall out with the grandparents ping pong game. So you know what it'll be, and then at the end it'll take you to the out of the grandparents page. So now we've done that, we'll also display a custom icon. Hold on, I don't think so. This is the installation path. So I need to put the icon in here actually, don't I? So I need to make an icon. So to make an icon you can just search in Google ICO converter, and this is the link I always use. This is one I always use because it's just simple and easy. So I want Grandad head. No, I always just do everything. I'll go, see you in a bit. Grandad head icon. Is that dog outside my door? No, he's not. It sounded like. No, he's not. It sounded like he was. Sorry for that slight interruption there. So just to make this easier for me when I'm maybe modifying apps, I'm going to put this in here. And then I'm going to add files. There it is. So we've got that icon there now. So we know that that's the icon we want. So the dog is upstairs now though. I can see him, he's just sat down there, just being a good boy. Something. You can probably hear him actually. You know what, Charlie, come here. Come here. People might want to say hello. Ah, he's just stood on my foot. Okay. He's saying hello to me. Well, he's gone now. So, sorry about that. So that's the install. So the icon, I actually want to rename it. So that means I'm going to have to add it again. That's helpful. Okay! So I'm going to do GDIC because GDI means something else in computers. So now we'll go files, we'll remove that. So this, obviously you might not do this, but I've got to do this because I've done something wrong. We didn't do something wrong, it's just because I didn't want to have to type that entire name. So it's now just called, I've forgotten. It's called GDIC. Like so. gdic.ico, and then I'll copy that because we'll need that for later. So we've got that. This is only for if you need to add something to the registry. Oops, no, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to go add. So that's only if you need to add something to the registry, which I don't need to do for my game. And this is if you want a command prompt running in the background. Say if you're making an annoying, stupid virus like me, I would probably do that so it could destroy your computer while installing the program. Obviously, I won't for this because this is going to be a game that's going to go public. So now you've got that and that. You've got splash screen. So this displays at start. So I'm just going to keep it to the same one that I normally use. And then I'm going to... Oh god. Dog's here. Charlie, come here. People might want to see you. Shall we sit for them? There he is. My doggo. Anyway, stop licking my feet. So now we've got the splash screen, which is like a little picture that's opened at startup. So I'll show you an example actually. Is it this folder? No, it's this one. Nah, I'm not really hate this new Explorer. Can you stop eating? Oh, he's lying down now. I also have to show you this. It's so cute. He's a good doggy. You can't see him unless I push the drawer in. Lying down on the floor, eating the food that's on the floor. There he is. Charlie, what's this? This is... Oh, hello. Such a cute puppy. I'm going to stop doing that now and just get back to the tutorial. So this is an example. So if you click yes, this will show up. That's what the splash screen is. That shows up for 5 seconds. Before then, open your installation. Yes, I do want to abort. So, got that. Now, can you stop doing that? Now we've got this. So I'm just going to rename this to Out with the Grandparents Ping Pong Game. So for this one, I'm going to get rid of that because we don't need a product key. We'll only need a product key for if I do any paid software, in which case you will have to pay to get it, but I doubt anyone will, so I'll just put a product key and then anyone that really wants it, I'll give it to them. But just for this. So now I also need to add something at the bottom, which was something I'm being made to add, but it's because of the software I used. So I just need to add this to the installer. So copy that and then I'll just paste that down here. This will be bold and in italics. Or it will be once I've pasted it, and then bold and in italics. So that stays there, and then I'm also going to okay, so this is the last thing I'll do. So copyright symbol. Because I've actually got Out with the Grandparents copyrighted, so people can't just, and that costs quite a bit of money. Coaster Kid Productions. Out with the Grandparents Champion and Windows Kid Software 2025. So Tung Tung Sahur. Right. So now we've done that, and again, sorry for my bad microphone, I've already said that 5 million times. We don't need to add this, so you can just tick that off, or unless you want to add it, which case you can do, which will give you a load of cereals, but I'm just gonna remove these because I don't want them on here. So now we've done that. So all we finish. Run application. No. I can't actually remember what I did for that. I don't think I needed to do anything for that. Hold on, I just need to check what I was writing on before, and then I'll be back. Never mind, I've just realised what I need to do. It's just so this one. So that's your install path. So that's what the exe is that it's meant to run. So if I just go back to files, they've all disappeared for some reason. Luckily there's an undo tool. No, there's not. Never mind. I deleted them all out of the folder. Right, I need to re-add them then. So shader, shut up dog, resources, locals, Pong, stop it! Charlie, stop! Stop eating the bag! Tung Tung Sahur. Tung Tung Sahur. Tung Tung Sahur. So the exe... Charlie! That's really annoying! Hey! Get off! Jesus! Oh, what are you doing? Oh, stop eating the... Whoa! Gee. That probably sounded really loud to you, and I'm sorry about that. Oh my god, Charlie. I'm just gonna copy this name here. Oh, stop licking everything! Ugh. God. No, can you stop, please? Stop licking the wall! Scream in a minute. Stop! Charlie, seriously. Oh, stop it! No, get off the lap! Good dog. So annoying. Right. Don't want. So registry only if you need to. It's the same one as before, as I said. So now I'm going to. I don't need 2 of these. So I'm just going to remove them. So what I'll do now is edit them. Oh! No! Stop it! You know what? Out! No, out! Out! I've had enough now. Out! Get out! Get out! Thank you. Sorry about that. My dog is annoying. And I won't be editing it out because I can't be bothered. I copied something. And I had something copied for me before. So annoying. Literally. Control C and edit. Control V. I'm just editing both first just to get this bit out of the way in case I have to copy anything else. Control V, which I will do. Edit. Out with the grandparents ping pong. Tung Tung Sahur. Oh my god, I need to stop singing that. It's getting really annoying now. So just do this. So this will be the shortcut. So there'll be one on your desktop, which is this bit here. And then there'll be one in your start menu, which is this. So you'll be able to find it, and it'll be. I've got mine installed on here, I think. Well, I might have taken it off from yesterday. Hold on, I'm just getting a phone call. Back in a second. It was the grandparents confirming tomorrow. Well, we'll be filming Another grandparents video! Don't know why I did that. So, right, I've done that. Now I just want to go copy the name of the exe again because I'm lazy and can't bother trying to think of what it's called. So, just do that and copy it. And then go edit. Paste. Okay. Edit. Paste. Oh, for God's sake. Back in a minute. I'm back. Here's my granddad again. Annoying. Right. Now we've done that with that. Yeah, wait, is it? Yeah, I did do the icon. I forgot I did. Yeah, is the icon. So we've done that, we've done shortcuts, now we go to build. So the setup file, this is where you want to save the setup file. No! God. So now on installers, out with the so let's just shorten it to out with the grandparents ping pong installer. So that'll be saved in installers. So you can change this. So this is the setup icon. So this is going to be where we use the icon again. Again, you don't have to if you don't want to. I'm not going to change it. I'm going to leave them as that. So as long as you've got everything you want to do here, you can just select build and wait, and it will start building your package. And when that package has finished building, which will take a second, if it gives you an error, just close it, delete the file that it did, and then open it again. And basically, you're good to go. So if it gives you an error, just delete the one that it tried to do, and then just click build again, you should be good. If not, I don't know, because I've never ever had an error other than that. And when I've recompiled it, or re-archived it, it's worked fine. So this is going to be good once it gets installed, if it ever installs, because it's taking years. Not installed, sorry, archived. Although it's got a lot of files to archive, I imagine. So I'll get back to you once that has been sorted. Right, so it should have... No, it's not. Right. Well, that's nice. So I'll just see you once that's done then, I guess. So it is finished compiling now. It says, do you want to run the setup now? I'm going to click no, because I'm going to show you me opening it. So if I go... No, where is it? Oh. Right. It's in new. So here it is, out with the grandparents ping pong installer. So we're just going to open that. And obviously McAfee is going to kill it in a minute, and then I'm going to have to... There you go, McAfee's killed it because McAfee's terrible at life. I hate McAfee so much. I don't even know why I have it on my computer, because it blocks things that aren't even a virus. And that really annoys me. So we're just going to go into running. Yeah. And done. Now that should work. Yep. You probably didn't see that, didn't you? But there you go. So there is the Windows Kid bit. Windows Kid software. Shout out to Mr. Morton and join in with me. Yeah, I want English for it, please. So, and then we'll get this. Here's me and Grandad. Welcome to the Out of the Grandparents Grandad Ping Pong Setup Wizard. So here's the thing. There's Grandad. Oh, that is amazing. There he is in the corner. Then it's got that obviously at the bottom. It's got that as well. He's going to do I accept. So I want it to install to there and there. And yep. So I'll click next. Create desktop icon. I hope this works. Oh yes, it does. So go out of Grandparents Ping Pong. I don't want to launch it at the minute because I just want to enjoy seeing Grandad on my computer. So Windows Kid Software. No! Let's try it again. Windows Kid Software. Out of Grandparents, and then there you go, there it is. And when you open it, it might take a second to load. Either that or I just didn't double click it. There you go. Oh no, 2 open there. Let's use this one. I coded this with GDevelop. Space start, and here you go. Now the score changes from 99 once someone loses a point. So now they've got 1. So now we've both got 1 score, and so on. And then there should also be, now if we go into control panel, let me try that again. So if we go into control panel, like that, we can then go like that. And if we go down just a little bit, we should see Grandad. Should do, I'm not saying we will, it might not show up, because you might have to restart for it to show up in here. Although it has shown up, there we go. That was Grandad Ping Pong from Windows Kid Software. I'll give you an example now of what happens if I install more than one of my softwares in the same, because they'll both go in the same folder obviously. So once this is loaded, which might take a second, Isaac. So now I'll just go dash 0000 dash 0000 dash 0000 and then next, and then yeah. I need to fix this installer because the icons don't work properly. Now it's finished, and you'll see there. And if we go to program files, I think it's in x86, I'm not sure. Let's get software. They're both here. So there's my Simple Software Pack 1, where's the password generator and simple text. And here's the Out of Grandparents game. Because obviously I'm going to make more games, that's why there was more than one. But you can open, and it's got Grandad's icon. So that's going to end this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope it was useful to you. Please consider subscribing, hitting the bell button, maybe even liking this video, leave a comment, ask for other tutorials you want me to do, and hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye!